'Tis your will, my master.
Hey, what's up, Richard? Quick demo video for you for your Watto's Junkyard and Lux Sabers Ventress. Was one half of the staff, as you know. The other half would be the mall if you chose to get it. But this obviously works alone, right? We left it clean, 2-button setup. So your front switch is right here. Your back switch will be underneath, or your auxiliary switch will be in the back underneath right here. You do have a crystal chamber in here, which is a little bit hard to see right now. But you'll see that, when I light this up here in a second, it's got a double pointed quartz crystal in there, and it looks really cool, right? I got the sound fonts on that you gave me. All of them have yellow blades. Some of them have unstable, and some of them are solid, but I'll show you those here in a second. Installed with CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB. And then how you get to everything is you just want to unscrew this handle. When you do this, know that this chassis is super snug. It's a tight fit, right? I mean, even right here when I got it off, I'm still twisting it just to help me get it off. It took everything I had to put a removable battery in here, the board on top, and fit the 28mm speaker. Once you've got this handle on, and if you account for that piece of the pommel that screws in the handle that you can't see, it butts up right up against the speaker, and there's just enough room to fit all this in. So install the Proffie. Obviously, you can see that right there. The Proffie is just a snap fit down into the shelf. If you go to lifting this board up to do some configs and changing it and snapping it back down, if you feel that it's losing some of that tightness over time, use a little bit of E6000 on the sides. Hold it down and let it let it cure for like 20 minutes or so, and that'll help. But for right now, it's holding very nice. You've got a removable battery set up here, spring side over here, and then this is the chassis that I made for this particular saber. I just kind of wanted to match the front of the actual saber and kind of carry that through, right? And then I weathered it up just a little bit. So hopefully you like what I did there. 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and it sounds really good. All right, so we'll throw a battery in. The battery is an extremely tight snap fit into here. Extremely tight. You're not going to be able to get it out with your finger, but I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. All right, so we got the battery in there. Take our handle. Again, snug, but everything goes in like it should. Screw it on. This particular, I think it's on Boonachamp right now. So we'll hit activation. You see your crystal in there. Get your LEDs in there firing up. Nice smooth flow. Now, one thing I did on your config, and you'll find a copy of your config on your SD card, I'm not really putting swing on or stab on the sabers I'm sending out anymore because they're going off, as you're putting the saber together. But I did give you twist off, right? So you'll have to hit the activation and turn the saber on. But you don't have to hit it to turn it off. You can twist it off like this. Just like that. This guy takes a 7/8 inch blade, and the blade fits in here super nice. So this test blade is something that I made a little while ago for testing sabers. So it's my test blade. But I didn't sand it at all. I wanted one that I didn't sand so that I could have something to compare it to. I have a shorter one that I did sand, but this one doesn't take a blade sanding at all. It's super nice, right? So we'll hit auxiliary to go to another sound font. This is Piece of Junk. I think I also gave you an unstable yellow because I thought it went well. Unstable crystal. Sounds really nice coming out of there. Good flash on flash. Or you can hit auxiliary. Of course, all these have their own soundtracks too, so you just do a long press on the activation and let go. Right. Do the same thing to turn it off. A long press and let go. We'll go to another sound font.
Seismic charges.
Now on this one, seismic charges and the Slave 1, I have your crystal pulsating when the saber's off, but it is on a timer, so that will go off eventually if you don't fire up the blade, right?
Slave 1, 2.1.
Slave 1. This is one, I believe, from Brian Connor. Just like that. And then we'll go over taking the battery out. But yeah, everything's in here is solid, working like it should. Take this blade out real quick. And then we'll take the handle off. The provided blade retention screw that comes with this kit is unfortunately not the same size as the drilled hole that's in here for it, which is not a big deal. I've got a whole set of grub screws here, so I just replaced that out. So we'll take this handle off, and then you will probably need a tool or something because it is super tight. But come over here from the positive side of the battery by the speaker. I usually use like the back of my tweezers or something. Try to do this on camera and just pop it out just like that, and it comes right out for you. But that is your Ventress. Let me know if you have any questions, and if not, this will go out in the mail to you today. All right, thanks.